we are doing geometric progression. Students, today we will discuss sum of first n terms of a geometric progression. So, a geometric progression AR, AR square, AR cube and so on is given to us. Find sum of these terms of a GP. So let sum of first n terms is A plus AR square up to AR n minus 1 because it starts from A. So it end at AR n minus 1 because here it is R raised to power 0, R raised to power 1, 2 and up to n minus 1. These are n terms. So sum of n terms Sn is given by A first term 1 minus R is the common ratio as we did discussed in our previous video, raised to power n number of terms divided by 1 minus R when the common ratio is less than 1. And the sum is A R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1 if this common ratio is greater than 1. So in case greater than ratio is less than 1, then we have to apply this formula, and when the common ratio is greater than 1 we have to apply the other one. Let us take up a numerical. Find the sum of 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 up to 10 terms of this sequence. So it is a geometric progression. Let us check the common ratio. If common ratio is same, then is constant, then it is a geometric progression. So let us check. So divide 1 by 2 by 1, it is 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 4 with 1 by 2, it is again 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 8 by 1 by 4, it is again 1 by 2. So common ratio is 1 by 2, which is less than 1. So we will apply this formula. Sn is equal to A 1 minus R to the power n upon 1 minus R because common ratio R is less than 1. So what is A? A is 1 and n is 10. So S10 is equal to A 1 minus R to the power 10 upon 1 minus R. Put the value of R, that is half. So it is 1 upon 2 to the power 10. Take the LCM. So it is 2 to the power 10 minus 1 upon 2 to the power 10 divided by 1 by 2. So it is 2 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 10, और ये half जो है ये मल्टीप्लाई में, इधर ये डिवाइड में हाफ है तो मल्टीप्लाई में इट विल बी 2 upon 1. So it cancels with 2 to the power 10, so it is 2 to the power 9. So 2 to the power 10 minus 1 upon 2 to the power 9 is 1023 upon 512. Next question. Find the sum of 1, 1, 3, 9, 27 up to 20 terms. So let us first check whether it is an AP or a GP. So it is 3 divided by 1, 9 divided by 3, 27 divided by 9. In each case common ratio is 3, 3 and 3. So it is a GP, geometric progression. So first term is A 1 and the common ratio is R, which is greater than 1. So the formula for 20 term S20 is A R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. A is 1, so R to the power 20 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 2. This is the sum of first 20 terms. Next evaluate this. This is 2 plus 3 to the power 3k, k1 to 11, and this is the symbol for summation. That is हमने k1 से लेके 11 तक बीच में साइन क्या डालते जाने हैं? Addition. This stand for summation of this. So first term when k is equal to 1, it is 2 plus 3 की power 1, बीच में प्लस, फिर नेक्स्ट टर्म लिखेंगे k इक्वल टू 2, इट इज 2 प्लस 3 की पावर 2. नेक्स्ट टर्म फॉर k इक्वल टू 3, इट इज 2 प्लस 3 की पावर 3, और अनदर टर्म इज 2 प्लस 3 की पावर 11th टर्म इज 2 प्लस 3 की पावर 11. अब यहाँ पे 2 कितनी बार आया है? 2 11 टाइम्स है, सो इट इज 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 2 अप टू 11 टाइम्स, और 3 टू द पावर 2, 3 टू द पावर 3 अप टू 3 टू द पावर 11. सो इसमें ये जीपी है. कॉमन रेशो क्या आ गई? 3. दिस इज 3 स्क्वायर बाय 3, 3 क्यूब बाय 3 स्क्वायर, 3 4 बाय 3 क्यूब. सो इन ईच केस कॉमन रेशो इज 3. So ratio is greater than 1. So therefore formula is a is first term is 3, n is 11, 3 to the power r to the power 11 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, and here they are 2 adding 2 11 times. So it is 2 into 11, 22 plus 3 upon 2, 3 to the power 11 minus 1. So 3 to the power minus 11, after solving, this is 22 plus 2, 6, 5, 7, 1, 9. So it is 2, 6, 5, 7, 41. Next is determine the third term of geometric progression whose common ratio is 3 and the sum to the first 7 term is 2186. So we have to find the third term. What is given to us? The common ratio, that is r, which is 3, and the sum of first 7 terms. So S7 is 2186, and also we have given the common ratio, that is r, which is equal to 3. So common ratio is greater than 1. If common ratio is greater than 1, then the formula is Sn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, where r is greater than 1. So let us put the value of S7, n is equal to 7 and r is equal to 3. So we have a is the first term, a 3 to the power 7 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to S7, which is given to us 2186, and this is 3 to the power 7 is 2187 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 2186 upon 2, 2186 cancel, so a is 2. We have to find the third term. So formula for nth term, as we discussed in our previous video, it was, or you can say it is Tn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1. So what is T3 term? Third is a r to the power 3 minus 1. So it is ar square. A is 2 and r is 3. So we have 3 square is 9 into 2 is 18. So third term is 18. Sum the series. So this is 5 plus 55 plus 555 up to n terms. So it can be written as, take 5 common. It is 1, 11, 1, 1, 1 and so on. Let us multiply and divide with the same number, that is 9. There is a logic to multiply and divide with the same number. Logic is this: we want to make a GP with, this is now 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, 99 can be written as 100 minus 1, 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1 and so on. Let us combine the terms having 10. So it is 10, 10 square, 10 cube up to so on n terms, and 1, 1, 1, 1, how many times? N times. So adding 1 n times we will get n. So it is minus n here. Now this is a GP. We want to make the GP. This is the logic behind multiplying it with 9 and then writing 9 as 10 minus 1. So we will now get GP with common ratio as 10, which is greater than 1. So what is the sum of GP with common ratio as 10 and number of terms as n? So it is a, first term is 10, common ratio is 10 again. So r to the power n and 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 minus n. So we have 10 upon 9, 10 to the power n minus 1 and minus n. Let us now take LCM. So we will get 10 to the power n into 10 to the power 1. So it is 10 to the power n plus 1. It is minus 10 and this is minus 9n and it is 9 is 81. So this is the sum. Next question is 0.6, 0.66, 0.666 up to n terms. Again we want to make this as a geometric progression. So take 6 common. It is 0.1, 0.11, 0.111 up to n terms. This is not in geometric progression. Clear? When you divide 0.11 by 1 and when you divide 0.111 by 11, 0.11, you will not get common ratio as same number. So let us make this GP first. So let us write 1 as 0.1 as 1 by 10, 11 by 100, 1 by 1000 and up to n terms. Let us now multiply and divide with the same number, that is 9, as we did in the previous question. So let us multiply and divide with the same number. So it is 9, 99, 999 up to n terms. Again 9 by 10 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 10. 99 by 100 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 100. And 999 upon 1000 can be written as 1 minus 1 upon 1000. Let us separate out the terms containing 1 upon 10. So 1, 1, 1 up to, and adding 1 to n times, we have this as n minus common, and we will get 1 by 10, 1 by 10 square, 1 by 10 cube, and so on. Now this is a geometric progression with common ratio as 1 by 10. So common ratio 1 by 10 is less than 1. So what is the formula for sum of first n terms? So it is a is 1 by 10, 1 minus 1 upon r, 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. So it is 1 upon 10, 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. So it is 9 by 10, 10 cancels with 10, so it is 1 by 9 and 1 minus of 1 upon 10n. So let us multiply this with this. So it is 1 upon 9, 1 upon 9 to the power 10 to the power n. Now take the LCM as 9. So we have 9n minus 1 plus 1 upon 10 to the power n, and here it is 27. Next question. The sum of three numbers in GP is 39 upon 10 and their product is 1. Find the numbers. So we have a GP whose sum is 39 upon 10 and product is 1. Students, whenever we have to let a number in geometric progression whose product is given to us, we will prefer to take our GP as 1 upon a upon r, a r, because it is easy to multiply this. When we multiply the three terms, we finally get a cube by cancelling r with r. So whenever we have given the product of three numbers and we have to let the three numbers of GP whose product is given, we will prefer to take GP as a upon r, a and ar. Clear? So these are the three numbers which are in GP. Their sum is 39 by 10. So it is a upon r plus a, ar is equal to 39 by 10. Take a common. So it is 1 by r, 1 r is equal to 39 by 10. We also have product as 1. So we have their product as 1 equal to ar, r cancel. So a cube is 1. So a is 1. Clear? So put 1 here, we will get an equation in r. So it is 1 by r plus 1 plus r is equal to 39 by 10. Take 1 here, so it is 29 upon 10. So we have 1 upon r plus r is equal to 29 upon 10. So after solving it, we have 10 plus 10r square, take cross multiply, is equal to 29r. So we have 10r square minus 29r plus 10 is equal to 0. So we have 10r square multiplying 10 into 10 is 100. So we will have to take the number when we multiply those number with its when we multiply we will get 100, and when we add or subtract we will get 29. So the numbers are 25 into 4 is 100, and when we add them we will get 29. So it is minus 25 minus 4 plus 10. Let us take 5 common. So it is 5r, 2r minus 5, and here let us take 2 common. So it is 2. So here we have 2r minus 5. So we will get this equation as factors. So we have the value of r as 2 by 5 or 5 by 2. So the numbers are, put the value of a as 1 and r as 2 by 5. So it is 5 by 2, a as 1 and ar is 2 by 5. When r is 5 by 2, the numbers are 2 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. So these are the numbers. Next, find three numbers in GP such that their sum is 7 and sum of their squares is 21. Students, here the three numbers are in GP but the product is not given to us. So we have taken the number as AR square. Clear? When the product is given to us, then we will prefer this GP. The numbers we will prefer to take the number as A upon R, A and AR. Here the product is not given to us. Here we have given the sum. So we will prefer the numbers to be A, AR and AR square. So what are the conditions given to us? First condition is their sum is 7. So let us add these three numbers equal to 7. So AR plus AR square is equal to 7. So let us take A common. So we have 1 plus R square is equal to 7. Next, sum of their squares. So squares क्या होंगे? A square R square and A square R to the power 4. So let us add this, and this is equal to 21. So it is A square plus A square R square plus A square R4 is equal to 21. A square as common, so we have 1 plus R square plus R4 is equal to 21. Students, we have the formula of 1 plus R square plus R4 can be written as 1 plus R square, 1 plus R square minus R. When you multiply these two terms, you will again get this. So let us use this as, now we have, let us use this here in place of 1 plus R square plus R4. But notice one thing, you have A square here and A here. So let us first square this also. So squaring 1, we will get A square, 1 plus R square whole square is equal to 49. So now let us divide 2 and 3. So we have A square, 1 plus R square R to the power 4 is equal to 21. Divide by this 2 is A square, 1 plus R whole square is equal to 49. So A square cancel with A square. Now the equation will remain in R only, and we can find value of R using these equations. So let us put the value of 1 plus R square plus R4 is 1 plus R square, 1 minus R plus R square, and this one factor cancels with this. So we have 1 minus R plus R square upon 1 plus R square is equal to 21 by 49. Let us cross multiply this, and after solving we will get an equation 2R square minus 5R plus 2 equal to 0, and after solving this we will get R is equal to 2 and 1 by 2. Put the value of R in equation number 1 and we will get value of A, and put the value of R as 1 by 2 in equation 1, we will get the value of A as 4. So the numbers are 1 AR square. When A is 1, we have 1, 2 and 4. When A is 4, we have 4, 2 and 1. So the numbers are same in both the cases. So the number now finally are 2, 1, 2 and 4. The sum of first two terms of GP is 36 and the product of first and the third term is 9. And the 9 times the product of first and the third term is 9 times the second term. Find the sum of 8 terms. So we want to find S8, sum of 8 terms. So S8 is A 1 minus R to the power 8 upon 1 minus R if your R is less than 1, and it is A into R to the power 8 minus 1 upon R minus 1 if this R is greater than 1. So let us now find what is the value of R and A to find the S8. Now what is the key condition? Sum of first two terms of GP. A, let the GPs A, AR and AR square. Sum of first two terms, that is A plus AR is 36. Product of first and third term. Product of first and third term is 9 terms the second term. So product of A and AR square is 9 times AR. So from 2, what we get? AR square, A square, R square is equal to 9AR. So AR is equal to 9. So we have an equation AR is equal to 9. Put here value of AR in equation 1. So we have A plus 9 is equal to 36. So after solving this, A is 27. So we have A with us. Now put the value of A here and find R. So R is 1 by 3 which is less than 1. Apply this formula. A is with us 27 and R is 1 by 3. Put the value, you will get the value of S8 which is equal to 3280 upon 81 after solving this. So this is all about sum of geometric progression. In the next video, we will take up some more question based on these sum of geometric progression. So thank you for watching the video.